The mess continues. This wall is coming down. And as well as this wall. Boy, I'll be glad when this is all done and cleaned up. Hey everybody, welcome back. New episode, new day here on the channel. Since you've last seen me, we've done some more wrecking here. As you can see, we've got this entire back wall here completely gutted out, as well as this side over here. That was a huge mess, of course, as always, with the wood lath and the plaster. Didn't want to get that on video just because it was just a lot of repetition, a lot of you know, you really didn't want to see that. So me cleaning up and putting all the debris into like 50 contractor bags and then carrying it down 2 flights of stairs. So that was awesome. And then after a massive cleanup effort here, we're ready to go ahead and move forward. So what you're going to see today is you're going to see some light framing getting done over here. We just got to basically make our corners and stuff like that for drywall. Do a little bit of window framing. And then we're going to go ahead and put in the styrofoam rafter baffles on this side and get this side insulated, as well as we're going to add in some electrical outlets at the bottom as well. So hope you enjoy. And once again, just remember, if this guy can do it, so can you. All right, so we got the rafter venting in. That is all done, and now we're gonna go ahead and get the insulation in on this side. Once that is completed, and then we will move on to this wall and take care of the framing, and then we'll get that final wall insulated and our vapor barrier up. All right, folks, here we go.